People posting stickers online about the car, armed with an anti-theft.
And you go through a red light. Really?
Now you realize you
really?
did it?
You stupid ass. The f are you doing?
And now you stop. Dude, this is your first car? Uh-oh.
What?
Go.
Get it off there tonight.
Yeah, get the f out of the way of the cop.
That is...
Oh, god damn. What an asshole. Tell me you got that Tundra. Tell me. That's him. You got him. Tundra. Please, the Tundra. Yeah!
Sin protestar. Y esto vivo viene porque están apurados.
No, he just did that. Oh, because that dude ran already.
Oh, got him! Oh.
Yeah, really. Look at this moron. He made a freaking straight off of a right turn.
And then he notices it.
Oh, do we have instant karma? Yes, we do! Instant karma, baby! Yeah! Instant karma! Yeah!
Okay, now I see. We have to take 73 north to get back to the 20, but you couldn't go north from where we were, so it took us around this way. Couldn't wait for us, I guess.
Good, good, good. Pull them over. Beautiful. What? Are you loving it? I'm loving it. Oh shoot.
Money, it's variance, whether you're going to get time in, and sometimes it truly leaves me puzzled. I'll leave us like, how were they letting me play? You just never know. That's why you can't. I don't care about cover, you know. I admire your view with that as well. Just go and play your game. You'll be amazed at how long you can play sometimes. I mean, sometimes you're not going to be able to even place one bet, but other times you'll just play forever. And I mean, other things come in, you know, factor in. Like, I was in an area playing just the juiciest six deck I've ever seen. They were micro cutting it, and I was just getting slugged. I'm still just able to play. It makes no sense sometimes. I have no answer. All I know is that you go out, you play your game, you don't worry about anything.
Jesus in the streets.
Gonna go pull him over.
About lifting a telephone receiver. TheWolf's office, Archie Goodwin speaking. But wait, Mr. Wolf is to go up to Starlight Hotel in Greendale for 1 hour from now. You're insane.
Really? This is where you're going to choose a speed through? Go!
Because
Oh, it's awesome! Oh, that's great!
Yep. Can't do that. Yep. Red car already knows. Red car already knows. Can't do that.
Be no next time look me in the eye. Not get you, they know you not my top. You told me I ain't gonna let you spend the night. I love me in my eye. You'll be alright.
Dumb as hell, buddy. Get him! Get him! You are fucked.
Hey, you heard that? That's why I don't speak, Papa. Got him! You gotta go reasonable, man. You know, 5'10", you know. You doing 20 over. I mean, come on.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me.
Oh yes!
Get him, boy! Get him!
Oh, that's so good.
Yes! Oh my God, karma's a...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.